In high-altitude tea plantations, skilled hands meticulously harvest the finest leaves, ensuring exceptional quality. Our journey begins at a modern dairy farm, where fresh milk is harvested with utmost precision and care. The journey begins as fresh ingredients arrive at our state-of-the-art facility. Skilled hands begin the journey, carefully receiving the finest tea leaves. The pristine leaves are gently introduced into the preliminary cleaning process. Precision machinery ensures every leaf is perfectly prepared for the next stage. Every step is carefully monitored to uphold our high standards of quality. The meticulous brewing process begins, transforming fresh tea leaves into rich liquid. Skilled technicians precisely set brewing parameters for optimal flavor. Computer-controlled systems ensure consistent quality and perfect extraction. Precise temperature and time are critical for extracting the tea's essence. From leaf to liquid, every step ensures the rich, authentic taste of milk tea. The meticulous filtration process ensures only the purest concentrate moves forward. A network of polished steel pipes meticulously guides the concentrate, ensuring seamless transfer. Every segment of this advanced system is designed for purity and efficiency, a testament to American manufacturing excellence. The perfectly filtered tea concentrate is now ready for the crucial next steps in crafting premium canned milk tea. Giant silos stand ready, receiving fresh milk with precision, upholding the highest standards of quality. Every connection is meticulously maintained, ensuring seamless and hygienic transfer of our premium milk. Precision pasteurization ensures the milk's purity and quality for perfect milk tea. Skilled operators meticulously oversee every parameter, guaranteeing consistent excellence. Within the unit, milk undergoes controlled heating, eliminating impurities while preserving flavor. This critical step guarantees the pristine quality essential for our beloved canned milk tea. Every minute detail is perfected, reflecting our commitment to superior product integrity. With pasteurization complete, the milk is ready for the next delicious stage of production. The foundation of our milk tea begins with a precise blend of fresh milk and fine cane sugar. Pre-weighed cane sugar is carefully introduced, ensuring the perfect level of sweetness. The ingredients are gently combined, forming a perfectly uniform, sweetened milk base. The final sweetened milk base is perfected, awaiting the infusion of premium tea. This meticulously prepared base is now ready for the next crucial step in crafting our signature milk tea. Precision engineering guides our premium tea and milk to a perfect blend. Our creamy milk base flows, ready to harmoniously meet the rich tea. The meticulous blending begins, a dance of two distinct flavors. Witness the magical transformation as our signature milk tea color emerges. This sophisticated system ensures every batch meets our exacting quality standards. Expert blenders unite pure ingredients, crafting the perfect milk tea. Inside the tank, milk and tea begin their elegant dance of fusion. The swirling dance intensifies, revealing harmonious textures and depth. The perfect fusion achieved, a testament to skilled hands and advanced technology.
رامی گلین کلد.
The perfect milk tea, now ready for its next journey. Precision sterilization ensures every can is pristine, ready for its vital role. Thousands of flawless cans glide effortlessly, a testament to American manufacturing excellence. Every stage is carefully monitored by dedicated American craftsmen, guaranteeing quality. Precision nozzles descend, swiftly filling each can with perfectly brewed milk tea. A skilled technician carefully monitors the intricate machinery, ensuring flawless production. Once filled, the cans swiftly proceed to the next stage, a testament to efficiency. Through careful adjustment, workers maintain optimal performance and product excellence. Precision engineering ensures each can is perfectly lidded, securing the rich flavor within. The seaming machine completes its cycle, creating an impenetrable, airtight seal, preserving freshness. A continuous flow of perfectly sealed cans showcases the efficiency of modern manufacturing. Dedicated workers perform manual checks, upholding the highest standards of quality assurance.
We're seeing a dip in the flow rate over here.
Yeah, I'm increasing the speed now. Monitor the sensors closely.
The machine's intricate parts work in perfect harmony, ensuring every can is impeccably sealed. The journey continues, with robustly sealed cans ready for their final stages toward market. Precise sterilization ensures every can of milk tea is safe and retains its quality. Advanced machinery and skilled operators guarantee product integrity and shelf stability. Careful monitoring ensures optimal conditions for taste and preservation. Precision engineering ensures each can receives its brand identity with perfect alignment. Every can is transformed, ready to represent the quality within. From machine to conveyor, each labeled can moves toward the next stage of its journey. Advanced robotics meticulously package each can, ensuring precision and quality. Skilled American workers ensure every step of this automated journey meets exacting standards. Every detail of the packaging, from formation to sealing, is automated for efficiency. Each sealed box is a testament to the rigorous quality control inherent in American manufacturing. Robotics ensure consistent arrangement and placement, vital for product integrity. From individual cans to sealed boxes, each product is carefully prepared for its journey. Skilled American workers meticulously prepare canned milk tea for distribution, ensuring every pallet is perfectly secured. With precision and advanced technology, each pallet is perfectly protected, ready for its journey from factory to customer. Efficiently, more pallets emerge, showcasing the streamlined precision of this advanced American manufacturing facility. Each pallet represents countless hours of dedication, culminating in a product of exceptional quality, ready for consumers. Precision is paramount as the finished products are carefully moved into their designated storage locations. Through the labyrinthine aisles, each product finds its precise place within the organized inventory. With expert precision, each pallet is perfectly aligned, ensuring efficient storage and easy retrieval.